everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to let you guys know that this month I will be doing 4 giveaways. One on the 10th, one on the 11th, one on the 17th, and one on the 19th. I'll have more information about what you need to do to enter and everything on my next video, which will be this Thursday. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Okay, so starting off, I'm priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm just blending it out. After I primed and blended out both eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe 35V palette with this shade, and I am putting it right in my crease, starting to define where I want the cut crease to be. So it doesn't need to be perfect because you are going to go in with concealer and redefine where that cut crease is, and put shadow over top of it. So it really doesn't have to be perfect. So now I'm going in with the Morphe 35U palette with this shade, and I am going over the first shade that I put on. I'm just darkening it up a little bit. It does have a little bit of a shimmer in it. Usually you're not supposed to put shimmers in the crease, but whatever, it's makeup, you can do what you want, and I felt like this looked really pretty, so you know what? Makeup can be used for a lot of different things, and this is what made me happy, so I'm just gonna roll with that. So now I'm taking a matte white shade in the 35U palette, and I'm starting at my brow bone, and I'm blending it down into the shadow, and then after I do that, I'm just blending it all together and trying to make it look as seamless as possible. So now I'm taking a flat concealer brush and taking the the Tarte Shape Tape that I used earlier, and I'm just cutting out the crease. I said short. Okay, and after I cut both those creases, I'm taking the white shimmer shade from the Morphe 35V palette, and I'm putting it right over where I just put that concealer. Now I'm taking a black NYX liquid liner, and I'm just doing eyeliner. I start from the outer corner of my eye and wing it up and kind of follow the same shape that I did for the cut crease, and then I bring it in and do the top of my eyelid. So now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm just doing a quick coat on my upper lashes. Okay, now I'm going in with the first shade I used from the 35V palette on an angled brush, and I'm just taking it on my lower lash line. After that, I'm just blending it out with a clean brush. Okay, and now I'm going in with the same mascara and just coating my lower lash line. So I guess I didn't know, but for my lips, for the lip liner, I actually used an eyeliner. It was the RK Ultra Easy eyeliner by Kiss, but whatever, it worked too. And the first lipstick I went in with was the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Crush, but I actually went in with a different lipstick because I ended up liking it more. Okay, and then the second lipstick I went in with was the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Party Pink. Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the giveaways I have coming up because you don't want to miss them. Bye guys!